Welcome back to Primetime News. Montego Bay, St. James is known for its nightlife, and Yard Day Cafe has been carving out its own at the center of it all. Here's this week's edition of the Business Review.
If you're looking for unique blends and specialty cocktails for that quintessential experience, then sip up to Yardman Cafe in Montego Bay.
So I was inspired to start this business after I joined the tourist industry when I was 19 years old as a coffee barista. I found out I had a passion for meeting new people and also serving people. And also I was a very outgoing person in terms of I love to go into events and parties. So it was only natural and it fell straight in the path for me to just dive into this industry.
At the center of it all is the man who built it, Leonardo Hughes. He laughs as he recalls the early days when the cafe's menu and rhythm were very different.
Food used to be on my menu. I used to do food from Friday nights to Monday nights. However, I stopped doing food. I used to do it on the roadside and it was a little build-up of traffic. So I had to pause back, and right now it's in the pipeline for me to build a deck on the back of the building so I can start doing food again on the weekends.
Still, he lights up when he talks about what keeps him going. It's the regulars who drop in after work, the young men who say the bar keeps them out of trouble, the older patrons who come not just for a drink, but for company. And in many ways, they're the reason the business keeps growing.
Business has grown, I would say, tremendously since then. I mean, I've increased the size of the bar more than 3 times in the past year. I've done the flooring, took a lot of work, a lot of money as well. I've moved the counter 3 times. My friends keep telling me that I'm going to put it on the rooftop next. Also, fine-tuning is a hard part. So, you have the building, but paintwork, electrical, plumbing, even the tiling, chairs, fine-tuning is where I'm at right now. So I'm taking my time until I get it all together.
While Mr. Hughes says his very first investment of just 50,000 Jamaican dollars has since long paid off, he admits the journey hasn't been without a few bitters in the mix.
I would say some of the challenges faced with running a bar in Jamaica is getting bartenders. That's one of the key problems. Most people can relate to that. I always try to avoid that problem by employing 2 or 3 of them at a time so that I don't fall into the crisis of not having one. Another challenge would be the closing hours for bars. In Jamaica, it's 12 o'clock. Lots of time, the real money spenders, they just start coming in at 12 o'clock in the nights. And by that time, the police are coming through already and telling you that you should close.
However, as long as the customers keep coming, he says he'll keep finding new ways to pour even more into the experience.
Right now, it's a bar. I have a bar license. In the future, I'm looking to get a nightclub license. I've already applied. There are a few building requirements that I'm working on currently. After that, as I stated earlier, I'm definitely looking to doing food every Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday nights.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.